Hi friends, this is Anam Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stocks Are First. And this is the pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott Wave theory. So before we get into today's analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line what I had written. Let's move on to SGX Nifty. So yesterday, what I expected here is either it could make a one more high, and I am expecting the three-way structure, right, for irregular flat formation, because just now yesterday it broke the high. So now what I'm expecting here is one more three-way structures to the downside. Either it could break this low here, this low, and after that from here it could bounce. So that is called as expanded flat. Otherwise, if it got rejection from this also, and to make a fifth wave, that is also an valid pattern for running flat in that fourth wave. So this fourth wave could be here or here. So either way, I'm not getting a clear picture in this zone. But if I look into our Nifty, it's a clear picture for me, and the two possibilities I found. So I will explain the two possibilities. So in the previous, I expected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the end of the third Roman letter, and this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I expected this. Even though it already broken the high, that is also valid for the fifth wave, but I'm not so satisfied compared to that SGX Nifty. So still the one way is arcade for me, and from the 2 to 3 days and this week whole things, I'm expected that fourth way, it is still in the consolidation only as I expected. So right now it is doing this kind of formation. So first possibility is, if this is the end of the trend, means it don't want to break the high. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed, and we are in the downtrend only, no need to break the high, but it already did the high. So it could be a fourth way here, but it is not simply to move the fourth way here, but a lot of people are doing like that only. Just I'm explaining here why I'm not making this as a fourth way. So here it looks like a clearly five-way structure, and this is a three-way structure. So that means here one trend is got completed, and again here is a three-way structure, and again one more five-way structure is there. So if we kept this as a fourth wave, here the structure is not completed, because this is a three-way. This is not a three-way structure. This is an impulsive wave. So even though if we kept this as an impulsive A, B, C, so this is the A, this is the B, then this is the C, means one more low is also possible. If we kept this as a impulsive, so this as a, this whole thing becomes A, B, C, B, and one more C is also possible. So in any conditions, I'm looking the downtrend for the shorter term. So maybe it's around 3 to 4 days maximum what I'm expecting. So in my view, I just one more possibility is either this could be 1, 2, so 3. So this whole thing become a, once again I will delete all those things. It's a little bit, yeah, one second please. So yeah, so this is the 1, 2, so 3, 4, and 5 what I kept. But in case if this is the wave 3 is ended, this is the A, B, C, D, and E. So A, B, C, right? A, B, C, D, E. But even though if we kept this as a, this is the one is confusing part for me here. So what is the conclusion here? Means it looks like somewhat the structure says something is expanding. So either it could be a 5 or 3. I am not come to a conclusion. So either the one thing here is 1, 2, 3. So 4 is an expanding triangle. So this is the A, this is the B, C, D, and E. So this is the end of the three-way structure here. In either condition, we can make it like that only. And one more three-way structures to the downside I'm expecting, right? And another possibility is either this is the end of this 4 is the triangle, the intermediate, so this is the end of the third. Here is another, here is a B, C, D and E could break this low, and again one more high. The same structure happened here. It's doing the same here. So in any conditions I'm looking only for one more high is possible, and here it's also a wave 1 it's equal to wave 5. So exactly if we kept this as a low, so 16,430 is my target for here if it is an expanding triangle and I'm getting a clear structure in that Nifty. So if we kept this as a three-way structure, lot of possibilities is there, right? And this is the end of the fourth wave. So fifth wave is already, it may get completed also. I'm no need to go to like a lot of confusion, right? So one more way to the downside and again one more way to the high, nearly that of 16,400, and this is the simple possibility. And after once it completed that five-way structure here, see 1 2 3 beyond the fourth wave, one more 5, and again it is in the downtrend. So the whole five-way structure is going to complete here, and this could be the end of 1 2 3 4 and 5. This could be the end of the trend also. So here I'm looking lot of possibilities and I have explained, so I no need to concentrate more in this. So this is the possibilities what I have explained, the 3 to 4 possibilities, but the possibilities are lot of possibilities means we can't trade here. I'm just looking for focusing on that individual stocks only, that you know very well. So trade safe, and this is the weekend and Friday, so a lot of positions may close. Nobody want to hold the positions till the week start up to the weekend. So this today could be a turning point. Anyway, it's a whether there's a bigger three-way structure or this is the smaller three-way structure and one more high is also possible. Today may close above this 16,400, and next week it could be a bigger correction also. So mind that I'm not getting any clear direction in that SGX Nifty. So according to this Nifty, I just presented my view here. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in that Monday pre-market predictions, or if I found a time, I will make a video on weekly analysis for the 54 pairs. Thanks a lot and have a nice profitable day to everybody.